The power of intention and clarity can turn pain into purpose, anger into action, and confusion into unstoppable direction. Now listen, really listen, because this is not a soft speech. This is not comfort. This is separation. This is fire. There comes a moment in life when you are tired of being tired, not physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually. A moment when excuses start to sound like insults to your own intelligence. A moment when you look in the mirror and feel anger, not at the world, not at people, but at yourself. Because deep down you know the truth. You were not weak. You were unclear. You were not unlucky. You were unfocused. You were not powerless. You were living without the power of intention and clarity. You see, life does not destroy most people. Confusion does. Noise does. Lack of direction does. When you don't know what you want, everything distracts you. When you don't know where you're going, every road feels right. And that is the most dangerous place to be. Wandering, smiling on the outside, bleeding on the inside, busy but going nowhere. I'm angry because I've seen brilliant people waste years waiting for motivation instead of making a decision. I've seen talent rot because intention was weak. I've seen dreams die not because they were impossible, but because they were unclear. People don't fail because life is hard. They fail because their mind is scattered and their intention is divided. Let me say this clearly. The world does not reward wishers. It responds to those who decide. Intention is not hope. Intention is a declaration. It is when you tell your mind, your body, your time, and even your fear, this is where we're going, whether you like it or not. Clarity is not knowing everything. Clarity is knowing the next step and refusing to negotiate with distractions. And this is where separation begins. Some people will never understand you once you become clear. When you were confused, you were comfortable to them. When you were lost, you were relatable. When you were silent about your dreams, you were acceptable. But the moment you gain clarity, you become dangerous. You start saying no. You stop explaining yourself. You stop attending every invitation. You stop carrying everyone's emotional baggage. And suddenly you're changed. Yes, you changed. You finally woke up. I'm angry because nobody told us that clarity would cost us people. Nobody warned us that intention would offend the lazy, that focus would threaten the insecure, that discipline would make others uncomfortable. But understand this, the price of clarity is always lower than the cost of confusion. Confusion steals years. Clarity builds legacy. There is a fire that comes with clear intention, a violent kind of peace, a rage against mediocrity. You stop tolerating things you once accepted. You stop begging for validation. You stop shrinking to fit rooms that were never built for your growth. And this anger, this controlled anger, is not destruction. It is fuel. I'm not talking about blind rage. I'm talking about the anger of realization. The anger of, I will never live like this again. The anger of knowing you gave too much time to fear, too much energy to people who never deserved it, too many chances to distractions dressed as opportunities. This is where the power of intention and clarity changes everything. When your intention is clear, your energy aligns. Your mornings feel different. Your silence becomes productive. Your patience disappears for nonsense but multiplies for purpose. You stop asking, what if? And start saying, watch me. Clarity cuts. It cuts habits. It cuts relationships. It cuts comfort. And yes, it hurts. Separation always hurts. Growth is violent. Transformation is loud inside and quiet outside. You won't announce it. You'll embody it. And here's the brutal truth. Most people don't want clarity. They want comfort with excuses. They want motivation without responsibility. They want success without sacrifice. But clarity demands accountability. It demands that you stop lying to yourself. Stop pretending you don't know what's holding you back. Stop saying you're confused when you're just afraid to commit. Stop blaming time when you waste hours scrolling, talking, complaining. Anger rises when you accept responsibility, and that anger is holy. Use it, Use it to wake up early when you don't feel like it. Use it to work in silence while others gossip. Use it to study while others sleep. Use it to build while others blame. This is separation. This is the line. On one side are the talkers. On the other side are the builders. On one side are excuses. On the other side is execution. And clarity forces you to choose. You cannot carry everyone with you. Some people are assigned to your confusion, not your clarity. And that hurts. But hear this, losing alignment is better than losing yourself. When intention becomes clear, even pain has direction. Even suffering has meaning. Even delays become preparation. You stop asking, why is this happening to me? And start asking, what is this preparing me for? That shift, that mental shift is power. The world bows to clarity. Opportunities recognize intention. Discipline respects direction. And fear doesn't disappear, but it steps aside when it realizes you're not negotiating anymore. This speech is not for everyone. It's for the ones who are done explaining their potential, done waiting for permission, done being misunderstood, done living small to make others comfortable. If your heart is racing right now, good. That's the sound of truth hitting resistance. That's the sound of separation beginning. Remember this golden truth and carve it into your soul. The power of intention and clarity is not about being perfect. It's about being decisive. Not about knowing the whole journey, but committing to the direction. Not about pleasing everyone, but honoring your calling. Stand up in your own life. Draw the line. Let the anger sharpen you, not poison you. Let the clarity guide you, not scare you. And when people ask what changed, don't explain. Let your results answer for you. The heart of this speech beats with one unbreakable truth. The power of intention and clarity is the dividing line between a life wasted in confusion and a life forged in purpose. This message is not gentle, and it was never meant to be. It is a wake-up call born from anger, realization, and the refusal to remain small. It speaks to the moment when a person finally becomes exhausted by excuses and begins to confront themselves with brutal honesty. At its core, the speech declares that most people are not defeated by life, but by their own lack of direction. The summary begins with the recognition that confusion is one of the most silent destroyers of human potential. People stay busy yet achieve nothing, smile outwardly while bleeding inwardly, and mistake motion for progress. The speech exposes that this state is not caused by weakness or bad luck, but by the absence of clear intention. When intention is weak, distractions become powerful. When clarity is missing, every path looks acceptable, and years are lost wandering. The message burns with anger because it reveals how many dreams die not from impossibility, but from indecision. The speech emphasizes that intention is not wishful thinking. It is a decision. It is a declaration of direction that commands the mind, the body, and even fear to fall in line. Clarity, on the other hand, does not require knowing every step of the journey. It requires knowing the next step and refusing to bargain with distractions. This understanding transforms confusion into direction and hesitation into movement. The summary reinforces that the world does not respond to hope alone. It responds to decisiveness. A major emotional force in the speech is separation. Clarity separates people from their old selves and from those who were comfortable with their confusion. When a person becomes clear, they change. They stop explaining themselves, stop saying yes to everything, and stop carrying unnecessary emotional weight. This change is often misunderstood and resisted by others. The speech explains that clarity makes people uncomfortable because it exposes laziness, insecurity, and fear in those who refuse to grow. Losing people in this phase is painful but necessary. Confusion costs years. Clarity builds legacy. The speech also reframes anger as a powerful tool rather than a weakness. It distinguishes destructive rage from the anger of realization, the anger that comes from seeing wasted time, misplaced loyalty, and delayed action. This controlled anger becomes fuel. It pushes a person to draw boundaries, to refuse mediocrity, and to commit fully to their purpose. The summary highlights that this kind of anger is not meant to destroy others, but to awaken the self. Another central idea is accountability. Clarity demands responsibility. It forces individuals to stop blaming circumstances, people, and time. The speech confronts the listener with uncomfortable truths. Fear often disguises itself as confusion, and procrastination hides behind false busyness. The moment someone accepts responsibility, their power returns. The summary captures how this acceptance shifts the mindset from victimhood to ownership, turning pain into preparation and obstacles into instruction. The speech strongly asserts that not everyone wants clarity. Many desire comfort, motivation without discipline, and success without sacrifice. However, clarity exposes these illusions. It demands discipline, focus, and sacrifice. This is where separation deepens, between those who talk and those who build, between excuses and execution. The summary reinforces that clarity forces a choice, and neutrality is no longer an option. A powerful emotional thread in the speech is the transformation of suffering. With intention and clarity, pain gains direction. Instead of asking why hardships happen, the individual begins to ask what they are being prepared for. This mental shift is portrayed as true power. Fear does not disappear, but it loses authority when confronted by unwavering intention. The summary captures this shift as a turning point where hesitation gives way to commitment. The speech is described as not being for everyone. It is for those who are done shrinking themselves, done waiting for permission, and done living for approval. It speaks directly to the inner fire of individuals who feel misunderstood but driven. The summary echoes this exclusivity, emphasizing that clarity naturally filters who stays and who leaves. Growth is violent, transformation is painful, but both are necessary for greatness. The closing essence of the speech, and therefore of the summary, is that power of intention and clarity is not about perfection or certainty. It is about decisiveness. It is about choosing a direction and honoring it, even when it costs comfort and relationships. The speech ends by urging action over explanation and results over words. When clarity is embodied, there is no need to convince anyone. The outcome speaks louder than any justification. In its entirety, the summary reflects a message of awakening, responsibility, and fierce self-respect. It captures a mindset that refuses to negotiate with fear, excuses, or mediocrity. It is a call to draw the line, embrace the anger that sharpens purpose, and move forward with unstoppable direction. The golden truth remains clear and unshaken. A life guided by intention and clarity is not easy, but it is powerful, meaningful, and free.